All right, y'all. So the timer went off like a few minutes ago, but I was doing another video. So this one is so y'all can see what it looked like. So I'm not gonna open both of them up. I'm only gonna open up one. That don't smell good. Maybe I'll take them up on that offering. Just eat a half of one. Because tomorrow is my last day eating meat. Oh man, look at that. You hear that joint sizzling. Where's the knife at? I'll just use butter knife for now. Oh man, that part's still kind of hard. This part's really soft. Look at it. I think I'm gonna put it back in for like 15 minutes. Let me check the other one. If this one is tender all the way through, then I'm gonna take this one out and leave that one in there. Okay, so far, nope, only half of it is tender. All right, this is the last video though. Let's see, this time put it on broil. Damn, 500? I'll be roasting in this joint. Let's do 445. All right. So, I don't know if y'all can see that. I always be bad with this camera. So, there's plenty of juice in there from the meat. So, I'm going to fold it back up and do, let's see. Alexa, set a timer for 5:40.
For how long?
For 5 till 5:40.
Alarm set for 5:40 p.m.
Put this joint back in the oven. I'm gonna have to go in that back room because it is too hot in here. Oh my goodness. It's hot. So I'm gonna see y'all later and I'll take pictures when it come out. And well, I'm gonna test it again. Maybe I should keep it in there till 6 because the internet said 30 minutes. I told you I was skeptical about that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna alternate that to test. Alexa, cancel timer.
You don't have any timers set, but you have an alarm set for 5:40 p.m.
Okay.
Would you like to cancel that?
Yes. Gosh, she's so damn specific. Alexa.
I think you just whispered to me. From now on, when you whisper, I will whisper back.
Oh, no, she didn't. She said if you whisper to me, I'm gonna whisper back. Alexa, cancel the alarm.
5:40 p.m. alarm canceled.
Oh my gosh, she is hilarious. I'll be arguing with her like she a real person. So I'm gonna ready to set that until, let me see, I said 5:40, so I'm gonna do like 5:50 just to look at it. So again, thanks for watching the video, and the broccoli is done. I'm not gonna put no cheese on it because I don't know if he eat cheese, but I'm gonna take my half out and put cheese on it and stick that joint in the microwave so the cheese can melt. So y'all have a good day. And again, this is Ebony, Bikini Chef. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And don't forget to like and leave the comments. So y'all have a good day.